Hey, first graders. I just wanted to give you a little preview and a few reminders about how you're going to be using SeeSaw each day. So, the first thing I want you to do when you are ready to do your school time at home is to log into SeeSaw, and I want you to go to where it says Inbox. Pretty sure that's what yours says. My screen's going to look a little bit different because I've got some teacher stuff on mine. But I want you to go to your inbox. There's me making a funny face reading a book. And I want you to check and see if I've posted any new things for you there. That's always going to be your first thing. It's kind of like checking your email. Then you're going to go to activities. Remember that little light bulb? That's going to show you any jobs that I have for you today. Now, I want to talk to you a little bit about activities, and I'm going to do something kind of sneaky. I'm going to show you one that's not up there yet. Okay, so this is an activity that you'll be doing next week on Friday. And one thing I wanted to show you is that some kids see the activity and they get really excited and they want to go ahead and hit add response right away. Nope, don't do it. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take a look and you're going to see if you can read these words for the directions. And if you're like, I can't really read all those words or I don't understand, you're going to push this button right here that says play instructions. That's going to read you those directions.
Look for snap words in a book. Tap the add button, then take a photo of one of the pages in your book. Use the drawing tool to circle snap words that you find. Tap the microphone to read the snap words out loud. Then tap the green check to add it to your journal.
Do you see how those words matched the words that were right here? So if you can't read the directions, I've read them for you. Sometimes it might be somebody else's voice, but most of the time it's mine. Now, there's one other thing that I want you to do. Most of the time, I've included a video to help you, or sometimes it's a lesson of me teaching something, and you're going to want to watch that video before you click add response. It's kind of like when I do my mini lesson in the classroom and then I send you off to write. You can't go write if you haven't heard what I have to teach you today, what I want you to practice. So you're going to push this little picture right here. You're going to see that it either has a little arrow or it might look like this where it says link. But you're going to click on that picture and you're going to see there's a little movie there for you. That's where I've done an example of that job.
You go for a.
So do you see how that video is showing you exactly what it is I want you to do in that task? So this task is all about practicing taking a picture, using the draw tool, and then recording your voice. And so I've given you the directions here, and I've given you a video example. Now you're ready to hit add response, and then you're going to go ahead and take a picture of a book. You'll use the draw tool to circle your words while recording your voice. So I wanted to make sure you knew that even though you see that green button, even though it says number 1, add response, nope. Before you do that, you're going to listen to the directions and you're going to watch the lesson or the example. Okay? I hope that helps.